Are you ready to showcase your aerial filmmaking skills on an international platform? Well, this is your chance to compete against some of the most talented drone pilots and cinematographers in the world. At AZDroneFest, we celebrate the art of aerial cinematography through a variety of categories, 9 to be exact. Like our Arizona category. It's exclusively for Arizona filmmakers, where you can compete against others from our home state. Your video doesn't have to be about Arizona, just being from here qualifies you. The new drone pilot category is specifically designed for pilots with less than 1 year of filmmaking experience. We also have an industrial category to recognize excellence in aerial imagery for construction, inspection, and other industrial uses. Our FPV category is showcasing the jaw-dropping flying skills of FPV pilot. And we also have a narrative documentary category where we celebrate the exceptional aerial cinematography in feature film or documentaries. Now, each entry should be 5 minutes or less, with at least 50% of the footage shot using a drone, except our narrative documentary category that has no time limit and only the aerial shots would be judged in that category. Now, what makes Arizona Drone Fest truly unique is our mission to bring together drone pilots from all different industries and backgrounds. So whether you're a professional aerial cinematographer, or a hobbyist, or a commercial drone pilot, this is your opportunity to learn from and be inspired by one another. We are incredibly grateful to our panel of 9 judges who represent a wealth of knowledge and expertise from around the globe, including the United States, France, the United Kingdom, Sweden, Australia, Spain, and the Philippines. Our judges are either expert content creator, industry leaders, or award-winning cinematographers, ensuring that your work is evaluated by the very best in the industry. Each entry will be evaluated based on 3 key criteria: creativity, execution, and cinematography. Your work will receive an average score with the highest and lowest score removed just to ensure fairness. This final score will then determine whether you are an official nominee or the winner of your category. Past winners include filmmakers and photographers from Turkey, South Korea, Australia, France, Greece, and right here in America from Alaska, Colorado, Hawaii, Utah, Arizona, New York, and many other states. Our awards have literally traveled across the globe, and this year you have the chance to join this prestigious group. Now, did you know that one of our past winners was recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records for being the youngest female drone videographer to ever win a drone film festival at the age of 8. Congratulations again to Lucy Royer. We hope to see you this year. The deadline to enter is February 8th, so don't miss your chance to compete, inspire, and showcase your work on this international stage. Visit AZDroneFest.com to submit your entry and become part of this global celebration of creativity and innovation in aerial filmmaking.